Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This chart is somewhat tricky because, from a presentation standpoint, that is, because there is a lot of perspective out there that, might be watching this video, meaning if you're some sort of day trader and you bought there, or maybe you bought somewhere right around there, and you wanted to sell within 15 minutes after buying, well then yeah, for you the chart's looking kind of rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. From the highs, there has been, a decent-sized pullback. But from the grand scheme of things, the price does still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as there's higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type perspective going into it. And really the main level that really stands out to me is right here around the $4.45 mark, give or take a little bit. That's just a general area, but why is that level so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but let's say that the price actually comes down here, goes sideways, and then eventually starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture perspective, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that low down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have big picture stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. So keep that level in mind. Again, I'm well aware if you are some sort of day trader and you bought up here, then you do not care about these stair steps. But that's why I tried to qualify and offer up a warning that I would be commenting for more so a big picture type viewpoint. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still very clearly has an opportunity to build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.